Hello everyone, my name is Danny. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use the basic on the Bollinger Band indicator. And end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to use with the RSI and mix it with the RSI and how to get a confirmation from it. Let's get started. We're gonna go into the trading view and go into the indicator and write it down. Double B is coming as a Bollinger Band. Apply on the chart. After apply the Bollinger Band on the chart, we're gonna go in for the setting, and you can change the color of the basis line, upper line and the lower line. In here you can change it whatever you like, and this one you can change the background. It's better to put it on the default on the input, and if you want to change, you just change a color only. Apply on this one. We're gonna go in for the Bollinger Band. Describe it for you what the Bollinger Band is. Bollinger Band is included one upper line, one lower line and one middle line or basis. Bollinger Band is based on the moving averages, and this one give us the kind of the indicator based on the past to use it in the future. I have a it's better to say Bollinger Band is kind of the moving average. We have a Bollinger Band is kind of the confirmation for us for the trade. As you can see here, we're gonna go in for the daily time frame, and you can see here when the market is going downtrend, the Bollinger Band give us the signal that is downtrend. It's better to on the downtrend is below the normally is below the basis line. And this one, if we're going uptrend, the price above the basis line. When the Bollinger Band is going like a horizontal way, its market is kind of the ranging. And we, as all of the indicator is not magic, and we have a lot of fake on the Bollinger Band too. We're gonna go in for some of the example. As you can see here, market is above the basis line and come back again down there, right? It's called as a fake breakout. You can't base on the like a Bollinger Band going for the position or open the position based on the just only Bollinger Band. We're gonna go in for some of the example in the chart and see what's gonna be find it out under this indicator. This here market is on the sideway. Bollinger Band is going like a sideway as well. As you can see here, the market break above the Bollinger Band, then pull back, and after some days we come back again inside the Bollinger Band and then dump the price. That is called as a fake breakout. A couple of examples for the downtrend and the uptrend confirmation with the Bollinger Band. As you can see here, the market above the middle line, and the confirmation for us that is called as a confirmation for us for the uptrend. Market below the middle line of the Bollinger Band, and we expecting to downtrend. As you can see here, market below the Bollinger Band, and market is on the downtrend. When the Bollinger Band line is coming close to each other and they're going to the sideway, we call it as a Bollinger Band squeeze. Break even either of those line, we're gonna go into the change of direction. Bollinger Band is good for the scalping strategy as well. It's good sign for the scalping. As you can see here, when the price reached, bounce it down to the lower line, the price bounce it up, and after the break the middle line is good opportunity to get a good risk to reward ratio. And as I said before, the indicator is not magic. You can't use the only indicator for the scalping or any other trading strategy. My strategy about how to use the Bollinger Band, I'm not going to use it in the chart, but it's good for use it with the RSI. Going to the indicator and add the RSI on the chart. We're going to go in for the setting and change the color to the, for example, red is more clear, and the change thickness is a little bit down. And another thing, I'm going to remove the RSI moving average. Apply. We're going to go in for the this part at the indicator on the RSI. We're going to go in for the added double B Bollinger Band. Added this one. We're going to go in for the setting. We're going to get a more clear sign upper. This one, any color that you want, and this one is a little bit like here, or maybe more clear. I'm gonna go in for the yellow. This is RSI. The red line they show us the RSI, and the white line show us the upper band and the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and the yellow one is the mid basis line. As you can see here, RSI is good opportunity for us to find the market when the market is bouncing up and bounce it down. That is good opportunity for us to find out the price based on the RSI indicator and the Bollinger Band. On the RSI, we can find out the resistance and supporting line on the chart. RSI reach to the upper line of the Bollinger Band, and the lower line of the Bollinger Band is going to be bounced up. It's good opportunity for us for the trade to find the trigger of the entry for the short and long position. As you can see here, when the market RSI reach to this one, we get a confirmation here when the price, when the RSI above this one, just want a little bit zoom in, and the price of this is good opportunity for us when the price RSI reach to this area, and we see the sign of the strength on the RSI. We're gonna be going for the long position, and we're gonna go in for another example that is good opportunity for us to open the long position. We need to wait to RSI change a direction. We're gonna go in for the long position. That is good for risk to reward ratio. Is the last swing low, and at least 2 times of your risk. Another example for the RSI, this area is not good area for the market because we are on the overbought area. We ignore the RSI when the reach to the Bollinger Band. We're gonna ignore that one because RSI we're gonna go in for the different strategy. We're gonna go in just in between the 70 and the 30 only. This is good example, but as I said, this is market is ranging and this is not really good, because I said to you before, indicator, we need to get a confirmation for RSI. This is good, still is good entry for us. We're gonna go in for this one, and the stop loss is gonna be last swing low, is gonna be here. Market is above this one. Still we have some area below the 70. The RSI change the direction. We're gonna be open the short position on here when the reach to this one, and the change the direction of the RSI. We're gonna open the short position on this area. We're gonna, and stop loss is gonna be last swing high around here, this area, and 2 times your risk at least. That is good opportunity for us to find the area that is good for the trade based on the Bollinger Band and RSI. I use the RSI with the Bollinger Band for the last confirmation for my trading strategy. I'm gonna go in for the one example. We have on the daily, we reach to the weekly support and resistance. As you can see here, this area is big resistance because it's weekly time frame. Reach to this area, as much as we have make a higher high here, still we see the sign of the weakness here, because if you go into the multi time frame, we're gonna go in for the 4 hours time frame. As you can see here, the sign of the weakness is appear under this area, because we are still bear is control the market, that never let us the prices bounce it up. The sign of the weakness is coming up based on the volume spread analysis. The last thing that we have to check it is gonna be coming as a RSI indicator with the Bollinger Band. As you can see here on the 4 hours time frame, we have one sign of the weakness under this area. We're gonna go in for the open the short position. The first target for us is gonna be this area, and second target for us we're gonna this area, and the third target for us at least here. We're gonna be open the short position because we get a confirmation of the sign of the weakness, right, based on the volume spread analysis, and this doji candle, because buyer is not interested to come into the market, right? We're gonna go in for the open the short position based on this area, around this area. We're going to open the short position under this area. The stop loss is gonna be above this area, and the risk to reward ratio at least 2 times. Before that we set that around this area. We have a good risk to reward ratio, and we open the short position under this area. We see what's happened. Is our target is being achieved, but we reach to the RSI, reach to the lower band of the Bollinger Band. This is sign of the entry for the long position under this area, but we need to get a confirmation for it. I'm gonna go delete this one. But one thing that have to be mentioned, this big candle of the red, we need to wait for another candle. What's gonna be happen under this area? We need. That's why I said to you, we have to wait until the next candle has been appear. We're not gonna go in for the open the position blindly, because this such this candle is being happen. I'm gonna go play and see what. Still we need to wait because still we don't see any sign of the strange. We see the sign of the strange a little bit here. The market, but the problem is the RSI reached to the low upper band of the Bollinger Band, right? We not open the position under this area because it's very close to this one. We should open the position under this area before the reach to the day, after break above the middle line of the Bollinger Band, but still we have to wait because we're not gonna get a good sign for the entry. Still we need to wait for the sign of the entry. The Bollinger Band is going for the squeezing. As I said to you, when they're going for the squeezing, we stop to open the position based on this strategy. We have to ignore the two signs of the Bollinger Band when the RSI above the 70% or below the 30%. We not open the position under this area. And another area that we have to skip it or ignore it, when the Bollinger Band is coming close to each other. That is mean the market is ranging. The final thing that I'm gonna tell you about this strategy, as much as this strategy is really good for me and I use it sometimes, but all of the indicator is not magic. You need to find it out the sentiment of the market, and based on this one you need to trade. I hope so you enjoyed the video. If you like, you can smash the like button and follow my Discord channel. It's a free education and free content in there, plus some of my trading strategy that I'm getting through there. And see you next time, guys.